When you enter the room, how do they see you? Do they observe you as someone who's really confident?
Please join us in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda.
I have here 3 big questions for you that I want you to be conscious with. And what's that? Who? That's the first. Who, why, and how. You wanted to decide to be seen as someone who is sure, who is so sure of who you are, regardless of your story, who is so sure of why you are here, and who is being observed as, I've got you, I can help you, and I know what I'm doing. So which one is you? Is your light shining, or are you dimming your light with your image? Let's not impress anymore. Tapos na tayo sa pag-impress. Let's begin inspiring our colleagues, our clients, and even family members with your appearance. Whenever you look at the mirror, do I look healthy? Do I look confident? Do I look like representing details of excellence and so on? So I'm not telling you here to buy branded. I'm not even mentioning about price. I'm mentioning or giving you a list of a message. Image is a message. Your image is a message. It's a message of your confidence. It's a message of your willingness to help. It's a message of your purpose, and it's a message of your personal vision and mission. Your appearance, behavior, communication, and even D, minsan we sometimes reach E, emotional quotient, and so on. They send out the message, or they represent the message of what? Your vision, your mission, what matters most in your heart. Because when the who is clear, there is a why, that's the first question. When the who is clear, the why, the how, the what, and the when in your branding and image will now be easy.